Welcome to Black Tela 13. Ito po ang deliverable sa inyo. Bali fully finished na siya with tiles and sink. And this one ang CR nyo and upstairs. So, kanina nakita niyo po is naka-dress up. Ngayon po ay kung i-deliver sa inyo ang unit. So, bali ito. Pero ito siya is for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Ayan. And this one, the master's bedroom with balconette. Ang master's bedroom with balconette. The second bedroom for your children. CR, comfort room, and the third room. So, ito po ang Casamira Homes. Townhouse Bacolod. Thank you for watching.